In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Marks and Spencer's gift card. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up our web browser and go to markandspencer.com. From here, hover over where it says gifts and then click in the gifts and then click on to, you got e-gift cards, gift cards or corporate gifts. So the physical gift cards will be gift cards and the digital ones will be e-gift cards. So choose which one. I'm going to do the e-gift cards. Alright, so now we're on the e-gift card section of Marks and Spencer. From here, scroll down and you can choose what type of gift card, decoration or design you want. And on the top left hand corner of this page, we've got occasion. We can sort by birthday for her, Christmas for him, etc. and also the price range. So if you want a gift card for say $100, I'm gonna give the range say 10 to 175 and then click view items. And now if I want to do this happy birthday gift card, I'm going to click that card there. Happy birthday gift card. So we want to put in some text in this field, select amount. So we got 10 all the way up to 500, but I want a $100 e-gift card. Then from here, I'm going to click add to bag. And then I want to click onto checkout. And now this is the bag here. So if we are happy with this, we can also add a promotional code if you got one, put it in here, and then click on see next step. Alright, so we're up to this section. So birthday happy e-gift card. So you want to put in the recipient's name here. I'm just going to send it to myself. Just make this easier. The email address. Then add some text here. You've got an option to add text. So if you want to add text, have that checked. Like so. Scroll down. And we've got delivery date. We can deliver now. Or you can deliver on a future date. Then click save and continue. And now we're up to the payment method, so we can pay by a gift card or rewards voucher or use a promotional code. And then also we've got credit card, debit card or PayPal. So if I want to purchase this with a debit card, put in your card details, expiry date, security number and all that stuff. And then click on place order and pay and then you're done.